Today, we're reviewing the Google Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL. Google has packed these smartphones with features designed to elevate your mobile experience, from advanced AI capabilities to top-tier cameras and sleek, durable designs. But with both models offering impressive specs, which one is the right choice for you? Let's compare them. Starting with price, Google has once again increased the cost. The Pixel 9 Pro starts at $999, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL is priced at $1,099, each a $100 increase from last year's models. This price hike is a departure from Google's tradition of offering flagship features at a more accessible price. However, the Pixel 9 Pro XL justifies its higher cost with a larger display and more screen real estate, making it the better option for those seeking a full flagship experience. The Pixel 9 series stands out with its distinct design, featuring a redesigned camera bar that now has an elongated, pill-shaped protrusion instead of the previous edge-to-edge look. Both models sport flat, polished metal trims, replacing the contoured edges of the Pixel 8 Pro. While the new design is less ergonomic, the matte glass surfaces keep the phones looking clean and smooth. According to Google, these models are twice as durable as their predecessors, thanks to Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The Pixel 9 Pro XL feels more substantial, while the Pixel 9 Pro's smaller size is more practical for daily use. In terms of display quality, Google has made significant improvements. Both the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL feature Super Aqua displays that are 35% brighter, with a peak brightness of 2,700 nits. I tested both phones with 4K HDR videos on YouTube, and the displays were stunning, with wide viewing angles and vibrant colors. The Pixel 9 Pro XL's larger screen offers a more immersive viewing experience, making it the better choice for display enthusiasts. Camera performance continues to be a highlight of the Pixel series. The Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL share the same camera setup, a 50MP main camera, 48MP ultra-wide lens, and 48MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. Both models also feature upgraded 42MP front-facing cameras with autofocus, delivering noticeably better selfies compared to the Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 9 series supports up to 8K video recording, enhanced video boost features, and improved low-light panorama performance. If you value camera quality, the Pixel 9 Pro offers the same high-quality experience as the pricier Pixel 9 Pro XL, making it a solid choice for those who prefer a smaller device. Performance-wise, both models are powered by the new Tensor G4 chip, which Google claims is 20% faster at web browsing and 177% faster at launching apps compared to the previous model. With 16 GB of RAM, multitasking and AI performance are significantly improved. The Pixel 9 Pro XL, with its larger size and better cooling, might edge out the smaller Pixel 9 Pro in more intensive tasks. Battery life is always a concern, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL features a 5,060 mAh battery, offering better longevity compared to the Pixel 9 Pro's 4,700 mAh battery. Google promises a 20% improvement in battery life, and both models benefit from upgraded 45-watt charging speeds for faster recharging. In conclusion, Google has set a high bar with the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL. While the price increase is noticeable, the improvements are substantial. The Pixel 9 Pro offers nearly all the same features as the Pixel 9 Pro XL, making it a great choice for those seeking a smaller, yet powerful smartphone. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments section.